the first batch. It didn't turn out so good. That's the bad batch.
Not bad. It tastes good to me.
Okay, now the good one. The good looking one, I should say.
It's harder. Tastes pretty good. But the so-called bad batch tastes pretty good too. Wait a second. To me, they're both good. A little bit different. This one seems to maybe a bit more garlic. I'm not sure.
Yeah. I soaked these before I put it in the water, before I smashed it. This one after, and they all fell apart.
Yeah, well, the one that fell apart might be a bit better. But they're both good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me get another piece before I leave.